Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to change Roblox account location. Even though the ability to change location is limited, it's worth checking your settings to see if the option is still available for your account. Here's how. Head over to the Roblox website or app and sign in to your account. Then, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. From the options, choose Settings. In Settings, navigate to Account Info. If you can still change your location yourself, you should see a section for location within your account info. If it's there, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose your correct location. If the location option isn't available in your settings, then you'll need to contact Roblox support. Here's how to do that. Head over to the Roblox support website using a search engine. Roblox support offers a contact form and sometimes even live chat options, depending on the day and time. Choose the method that works best for you and explain your situation clearly. While changing your Roblox account location isn't as straightforward as changing your name, hopefully this video clarifies the process. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.